Hey everyone, welcome back. At WiseCleaner, we've always been about giving you tools that are safe, lightning fast, and super easy to use. But sometimes, Norton might accidentally flag WiseCare 365 as a threat, calling it FileRepMalware. Usually, it's just a hiccup from a rule update or a false alarm. Let's add WiseCare 365 to Norton's exclusion list so you can keep using it without interruptions. Stick around. I'll walk you through it step by step. Right-click the Norton icon in your system tray and choose Disable Auto Protect. Open Norton. Click Settings on the left, then select Quarantine. Find WiseCare 365. Click the three dots in the lower right and choose Restore. Go back to the settings and select Antivirus. Click the Exclusions tab, hit the Add button, click here, expand the C drive, Program Files x86, select the Wise folder, OK. Add. The Wise folder is added. Go to the Home, click the Alerts, and enable Auto Protect. Let's check it. Great, now we can use WiseCare 365 without any issues. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to WiseCleaner for more Windows tips and tricks.